Speak, Puma?
Boo.
Okay.
What the fuck am I supposed to do here? How do I get upstairs?
Oh. Walking?
Everything's broken.
A ladder?
Do the mushrooms count as nuclear material?
What the? Oh, hello.
And cream.
Alexa, Mason's lamp off.
Okay.
Mason's lamp?
Yeah, that's my name. You didn't know that? You definitely knew that.
No.
Nope.
I didn't know your last name was the lamp.
By the way, I knocked.
Oh, you did? Okay.
Can I join you?
And the world is open.
Can I join the stationeers?
Sure.
Wow.
Shit.
What's his physiology?
It's
Ooh.
definitely not us.
Oh, I don't have the DLCs, so
You're just a human.
yeah.
You're basically gonna have to make your own life pod kind of
No.
thing then. That's gonna
just make me a box with
just a one by not even a 1x1 frame space. It's just an airlock
just one frame. No,
that has just an
literally.
just has an oxygen
Yeah.
tank hooked up to it.
Well, no, that wouldn't really work because then I'd lose all the action the moment I wanted to go outside.
No, that's why it's an airlock. It vacuums it.
Well, no, that's what I'm saying. Is like you leave me a room with an airlock, and that's it.
Well, you do. When you start, you will start with your own pod. So
Oh
you'll start
right,
with
you're
your-
doing because there's actual fucking multiplayer now.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I should actually see.
I can just join straight off of YouTube Steam, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Though we can't join you because you're always invisible.
Am I still invisible? No, I'm
Always
not.
invisible.
I'm not invisible. Incorrect
Mhm.
version. Huh?
Are you doing beta?
Oh no.
Why?
Properties, game version. Which one? Pre-rocket, beta branch.
Should actually.
I'm trying to
Uh,
remember where everything was. In the
April
stage.
27th, 2026.
Oh, it's whatever it is.
Not from 2023.
I mean, we're running the most recent beta. All right.
Puma, is that your mouse? I thought that was my mouse going through Discord into Mage's stream.
My mouse is right underneath the microphone.
I mean, mine is too. That's why I thought it was mine. And then it was like for 30 seconds straight, we were clicking at the same time. and then I stopped clicking, and you kept clicking. And I was like, oh, it's not me.
Yeah, my mouse is right underneath the microphone currently.
45.
Okay.
Midge, I thought it was your world. You named it creative. That's kind of funny.
I didn't name it creative.
A connection could not be established. What the fuck? God damn it.
There's no password.
There was a specific reason why it wouldn't let us do that. You guys don't have mods, do you?
No.
No. I really need to redesign this place.
Fab.
I went through the join screen, so maybe I should just do it through the Steam.
Wait a minute. Oh no, that's just canned foods. The advanced packaging machine. I was like, oh man, wait, did they make it so that you could automatically do soy oil with that? I'm like, no. Much sad.
No.
Ah, it's because I still have mods on that never worked.
Mm.
There we go.
Okay.
Ooh.
Recipe.
Ooh. Where's the mods file?
Just unsubscribe from everything.
No, I don't think it's through Steam.
No,
Is
you
it?
go into workshop and basically just disable everything and then reload the game.
Yeah, stupid.
Execute recipe right here. Yeah.
Oh, right, yeah, cause okay.
Let me just take a picture of this.
Wait for that to stop.
Yeah, it was. I was trying to get the filter cleaner mod.
Alright, I'm gonna go watch some hentai.
Okay, enjoy it.
If you need to message me.
Don't
One
rub
of the
yourself
things
raw.
you should know is you can now buy catalytic filters.
Oh, wait, couldn't you always do that?
No.
Nope. That's why he was making the shop.
Oh, did you guys actually make that?
It was basically made.
Never mind. Old world. This is new
Yes.
world.
Yes.
I just woke up from a nap. Don't judge me.
I know.
Not me when I'm
That
tired.
takes forever to move.
What is it that you're supposed to eat when you're not you?
Snickers.
Oh, okay.
Or it's, you're not you when you're hungry. I switched it to time, but
Yeah.
Okay.
I know. And unlock sorting class. What's
when you're tired, it's energy drink. But
Oh.
what do you mean, bruh? What do you mean connection could not be established? How much?
Okay, so it's
Power
not
holds
that.
out, or if I need to add more large batteries. 6% negotiated. 7%
Is there a way you can send me an invite?
What in the world was it called? Referent? No. Wait. So the corresponding preview hash. It's best to fulfill the agent requirement. Example, hash for iron. Full story. Yes, this. Our map. Okay. Having to relearn some coding stuff.
Oh,
Like last time I used this,
it might. Okay.
I think was in
It might be the thing that you have to restart the world.
Moon.
Because I think we had that issue before.
Well, I joined just fine.
Well, yeah, but it would always be one of us who had the issue. But it's fine.
Really? You can't invite to game. Here, join. Try it. Or did that not work?
Mage already sent me one.
Oh.
But I'll try yours just to see.
Okay.
I think I'm going to be working on power.
Oh yeah.
Yep, because
Because I'm going to be using a shit ton.
on top of that, we're not having enough power to
Oh?
do this communications array.
Oh. Okay.
It looked like it was working, and then it said, fuck you. It got to the generating resources part, and then it just went straight back to the fucking
Well,
Second.
menu.
Okay.
Yeah, can you actually send me another one, Creative? Because that seemed like it was going to work, and then send me to the main menu. So let me try it while the game's actually still
okay. Why? It says I could join your game. Apparently.
Huh?
Yeah.
Wait, okay, let me exit to desktop. Stop. Play.
30%.
Wait for it to open.
Start.
Got 7 minutes.
LBN.
1%.
Is there like a
I need it.
no, just
69 seconds. Let's see if we can get
It's gonna be
0.
really funny if you gave me an invite just to play Stationeers, not to join you.
Right. Perfect alignment.
define
And
think
we
you can do
need
that,
69 seconds. Okay, so let's shut that down for a moment. Let the
69.
power recharge. Let's get me some water.
But
Connecting server 0%.
Steam request rejected. It said
What did it say?
Steam request rejected. Steam request received but rejected. Steam P2P requests are disabled in settings or in this user is hosting. Or this user is hosting. Did you somehow disable Steam P2P on yours, Magic?
I didn't know that was possible.
Oh, I named the server Creative Look to help him find it.
No, I can see it. I can also join through links. Like I'm like I'll here, this is what I see.
Device.
I should point out, Creative, that Cole has been thrown on the grounds for some reason.
So Mage, that's what I see. I can see the server,
Hmm.
but when I click it, it goes to the like join or connecting to server, but it doesn't load at all. It stays at 0%, and then it says connection cannot be established.
Yeah, Cole's being thrown everywhere. I don't hear the generator running. I just made the generator start.
There's dirty ore up top too. Holy crap, there was a bunch of... You doing something with steel? Showed a ton of errors.
Remember we had the...
Hey, upscale. Upscale aphid.
Because that's the dirty ore, but this was the reagent stuff. Oh, I get... It looks like... Because they did have a update, and it looks like it broke conveyors temporarily.
Oh.
Basically, I have to throw all the stuff back in, and it will go back. At least that's how I'm interpreting what we're seeing.
Okay. Was that all of those? No, there's one on the dish. What, Magic, you want another invite?
No, I don't think it's gonna work. I think it's the thing where you guys gotta restart the server for whatever reason. Mage, go into your settings to multiplayer. What can you send me a picture of the ports? And also, do you know the IP?
I do not know the IP, but port
This
is 27016.
is Stationeers.
27015.
Space game. Or space station building game.
Damn it, we didn't have enough power. I
For
had it
what?
locked on perfectly.
Ah.
For the trader.
Ah, the real big one? Okay.
So you said 27016?
Actually, that's 27016. Yes. Not the big one. Actually, the small one that requires oxygen.
Oh. So Magic would have a roommate. Once he manages to get on.
Who's joining?
You.
Why am I gonna have a roommate?
We didn't have the power, and it's going to take too long to charge. We don't have enough
Uh,
power
Oh.
system, which is why I'm planning on working on power.
Yeah. While that's happening, I just want to restart, see if it fixes it.
All right, we will save the game. We will quit
exit.
the main menu and restart it just to shut magic up.
Yeah.
I think you have to fully close Stationeers and fully open it.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think that's what we had to do before. Glad to see Stationeers has not changed.
There's been plenty of changes. Just
Just not the things that we actually want changed.
yes.
Oh no, they added hydrogen, so that's one of the
Well,
things
yeah.
I wanted.
I do like that they have methane, hydrogen, helium. I like that.
Alcohol.
Yeah, that
there's
was
alcohol
interesting.
in the game.
You can make beer, right? I think I saw that.
Yeah, I know there's
Not to
alcohol.
my knowledge,
Oh,
because alcohol
I
is supposed
thought
to be
there
a
was something
precursor to water.
oh. I don't fucking know. I just live here sometimes.
You haven't joined on Stationeers in quite a long time, so
Yeah,
I
we
know.
even took a long break from Stationeers.
long break from
Well, I
everything.
got the notification. While you were going live, and I was like, "Fuck it, I'll play. I'm bored. It's 9 p.m."
Look, it's us. We come back with magic running the base. It's the one where the two Stationeers are looking at their base in flames. All right,
Yeah.
we are back in.
Okay, let's see. Yep,
Doi or
that was the problem.
oh okay. While you're connecting, it says day, percent on, percent world, percent.
Yeah, I saw that. In Steam.
Yeah.
Nah. Steam P2P is in use. Will not enter the man's requirements of large bases. TCP, if at all possible, for much smooth experience. What the fuck is TCP and Steam P2P? Like, I understand the concept of Steam P2P, but like, what the fuck?
I guess technically there is one single room that should be barely breathable for magic.
Is this mine?
You are.
I believe it is, because you wouldn't leave this here. So
Well, we've had Mars storm, so
yeah, that too.
Yeah, so what in
Oh.
the world is this?
Are two of them missing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No, he wouldn't survive in here.
No.
It's not even
Only got
10%
5
oxygen.
crates, right?
And fuel. And oxygen.
Hydrogen and yeah. Okay.
Food. That's right.
so I'm still having trouble with my IC10 on my Stationeers for some reason. So you're gonna have to code the solar panels.
Magic. Do you have a solar panel
What?
code?
Me? I do. I do have solar panel code.
My library has been wiped out, and it won't let me reestablish it.
Where should I make my base?
Probably near us. Near our main base. so you'd have
I think I
resources.
found broken. I'm on yours, right?
You're at the life pod.
Yes, I am. There's a broken pipe here.
Eh.
Oh, it's attached to the air conditioner, so it's
Oh yeah. Well, if you look around, there should be a light. Go to the light. That's far off in the
Oh, this shit-
distance.
Oh, holy fuck. Okay. Let me just
Here comes the sun.
yeah,
Do
whatever.
do do do.
Fly over there and come back and yeah, whatever. Oh, I see you floating
You
up
could
there.
drag a crate each time.
No, I guess I could.
Probably have to bring it inside instead of leaving it outside because of storms or locking it down.
They only last a couple storms, right?
No, there's crates at the life pod.
No, like the lander, the actual
Oh, yeah.
lander only lasts a few.
I think one of ours, or did it?
Where are the
Did they get destroyed
the-
from the
What?
first
Yeah.
storm, Mage? Or
Yeah.
it did? Okay. I wasn't too sure. So what is this? This
Oh,
has
really?
to
Oh, okay.
be
I thought you got crate
2.
connectors.
Yeah, you do.
You do.
Where? I don't see them.
Hash. OP.
They're in a box.
Well, oh right.
Setting
Oh
0
my god, you're so much faster.
S.
Yeah, you'll see that we locked down our crates.
Logical left
Yeah.
shift. No. There. R.
Wait, is it this light is going through the mountain?
Yes.
Yeah.
Render stuff.
And is
Okay, but not gonna lie, I'm not gonna have enough
Code.
jetpack to get there and back multiple times. Like I'm going slow as fuck. Honestly, it would be
14.
better to just run.
Code.
Uh,
A
Yeah,
jetpack
low-key.
refiller.
I'm running backwards.
S. Shoot. What is it? Move.
Press it up to 200.
Code 0. Yes.
You said you have a jetpack refueler?
Yep.
Well, obviously, probably.
Okay.
God,
LVN.
even at full 100 thrust, still slow as fuck.
Dash.
Why'd you have to travel so far?
Because we wanted a specific deep mining point.
To T.
Right.
Coal.
Yeah. that's
Easy
not-
easy power. Yeah.
We probably
Setting
Might want to add a second coal
Okay.
generator.
You only have one?
Yeah.
Where'd you put the first crate?
I didn't take a crate. I took the fuel.
Oh. That's fine. I don't use
alright.
fuel.
To mem
Okay, I'm gonna put it on
recipe. I think
on-
no.
I guess that's fine. I'm gonna put it on top of the
It
base.
is a recipe. I think I should change this. Recipe. Hash.
Oh my god.
Setting 0. SLL. Code.
I've already used
Or-
17% of my large battery just one trip. That's insane.
Oh, shut off your light.
Oh yeah.
And then
I'm lost.
S.
Use your tracker and go towards me.
I think I know where I'm going.
LED.
Yeah.
Just follow the holes.
Damn. What is all this? All these errors.
Damn.
Did you see that pop up?
Did.
Nope.
Null thing number 21 is null during network update. Last valid thing was battery cell small. Okay, so apparently the only valid thing on this server is 21 small batteries. Or something. I don't fucking know.
Confirm. Export.
Oh.
Oh, wait.
My god.
Wait a minute. What? No, shoot. I remember. Okay, so it's like that. You're not that, but you're add code, and then R0. That. Or Control C, V, Control V, 2.
Oh my god, bro. You've done 2.5 full trips in the time that I've done 1. That's insane.
I do have 200 thrust.
That's true.
It is burning through my jetpack fuel, but
Hey, Uglavisk, how you
Faster
doing?
Running. I'm literally faster running than my jetpack is right now.
oh yeah, before I got the hard suit jetpack, I was hopping everywhere.
Holy crap.
Ooh, I want to see what this is.
New
Couldn't register world atmospheres. There's an entry for this ID. It is used by Dirty Ore. You have Dirty Ore in the... okay. It's at the same coordinates. Oh, no, they're moving. Wait, what if I do this? So it
Something's-
moved the same distance. It moved at the same time when I moved forward and backward. But it moved such a significant amount that I don't think it was me, because I moved like 2 feet each time and went up like 100 at a time.
The crazy part is I'm not actually seeing the errors.
Yeah, it's kind of weird. Because you're literally the host.
let's see. It's well, we just started, and it is weird that it's throwing big errors.
Is used by Dirty Ore. Where do you have the Dirty Ore stored?
Oh, I
It's-
know where the dirty ore is, and that's where I'm going to go look.
think
And
that
we were
is eight.
we were having issues with the
8.
chutes.
Check if it's full.
Turbo pump,
The chutes are
turbo volume pump. Oh, jeez. Okay. I'm just working on some
It's talking
code.
about the world atmosphere and Dirty Ore, which doesn't
48.
really make sense.
So 32, I think.
Because
Confirm.
Dirty Ore is not atmosphere, and atmosphere is not Dirty Ore. They have nothing in common.
Well, that's unfortunate, but I can afford to lose that much material.
Current register or silicon.
Hey, Mage, can you fly straight up, por favor?
In a minute.
I think this time I actually went the wrong way.
Fine, straight up.
Okay. Then.
Do you have your
Oh, I see the light.
Which-
Okay, I went
What's the
literally the
first
exact
one?
opposite direction.
Still
Alrighty.
shoots.
Interesting. In here.
Shoot corner.
Jesus, yeah. Shoot window.
Shoot window.
Object reference not set to an instance of an object. Oh my god. Small battery. Shoot straight, yeah. So I think the shoots are the problem.
Maybe you have
Yeah,
to
we
replace them.
realized that there's a shoot problem. So I think we're going to have to disassemble and reassemble all the shoots.
It's
Yeah.
quite a lot of shoots.
Yes, it is.
I crashed. No. Huh? Maybe? Yep. I did a big crash.
Who would have thought that this would be what happens?
Who would have thought that the beta crashes?
Entity.
Did I eat all my cheese? Doesn't literally no, I didn't. Okay.
50.
I ate 2 of them.
Okay, and then
Oh my god, I'm getting so many errors right now. Error blank not found when reading client thing state.
I'm trying to solve things.
It's a bunch of print errors.
damn. How do I turn that off?
Turn what off?
The errors.
The console. Are you getting a bunch of error, a big number not found when reading client thing state?
No, null reference, exception, object reference not set to an instance of an object.
Huh.
Station is
Interesting.
now old or coal, and then a
Okay.
bunch of last
Are you
valid
just getting
things.
spam after spam after spam?
Yeah. I'll turn off
Interesting.
3.
What?
Dirty ore got in with the coal.
Was it trying to burn the dirty ore?
Kind of, sort of, but no. It was right before the... Alright, this should hopefully pop out. Okay, that shows that the line has been cleared.
No.
Alright, so now it's coming to here and put all this coal back into the system.
Okay. This is kind of interesting. It says
Yeah.
I'm still connected. Despite having crashed and obviously not still connected. But I think that's what all these errors that I'm getting are. It thinks I'm still there, but it's not seeing any of the data that would say I am in the game. So it's doing like a check of this isn't here, there's an error.
At least the dish did a job.
Huh. Okay, what was it saying?
All right.
Um,
Hmm.
hmm.
Oh. Ending network connection. Okay, so those errors were because I crashed. It's thought that I was still in the game, but it wasn't. So it wasn't reading any of the client data that it should have been. So there were shit ton of errors. Because it just said ending network connection, resetting network state, game state, none, ending network connection. So now. Oh! Object reference not set to an instance of an object.
Yeah.
You're getting that's what you're getting right now?
Yeah, I left the session to rejoin and see if that makes it just disappear.
Hmm.
I'm not
Okay.
getting it. At least
There was.
I am.
I definitely found there was a bug junction. When I disassembled it, it only gave me one back, and I need 2 to make another one.
okay. Maybe that's what it was. And starts doing reference object. So you're saying that
Okay. I disassembled all those junctions, and they all gave back 1.
Mage hit F3.
I see no errors.
Well, I just want to see like if anything pops up. Like
so I'll print a bunch of shoots then.
It was overflow. Overflow was only 1. Okay, so
huh.
I'm good. I don't need more shoots.
Yeah.
Oh, you don't?
One.
Shoot
Oh,
network.
no, there it is.
There's some shoot network stuff.
Because it wasn't a junction, it was an overflow. Okay.
And then world atmosphere.
Shoot valve. Shoot valve. And shoot.
Wonder if the centrifuges need to be deconstructed as well. I'm not sure. Have you done the ones way over here?
I've only done the ones that. Well, no, I haven't.
Okay.
Shoot valve. Nope, that's not how we want it.
What the? What the crap? There's...
Ooh.
What is going on?
Tell me if there's any errors.
Thousands of them.
Alright.
A bunch of stuff about lenses, pressure regulator, dirty ore, deep miner, some suit, EVA suit, LL Mage, okay. Larry Doc, even. Actually, no, these are all last valid.
Ooh.
So what's it working on?
Celestial set player vector 2. Orbital simulation set all bodies. Decentralized delta state. So I'm looking at the logs right now. All of the null reference exceptions are for the set player vector 2. Rotating celestial body, player body.
Hmm.
Alrighty. Well, that's not working as intended.
Oh. Wait.
Those should be filling up.
So it started after it ran the command for find live objects and create object mapping.
What the? Okay. I got a lump of coal that is just really friendly to me right now. I picked it. I selected to pick it up, but it didn't go in my inventory, and it's acting as if gotta love these raves. Oh, man. Void Fry. Nah, he didn't do the Mega Rave. He just did normal raves.
What?
Yeah. You like my friend? He's called Cole.
Okay, I'm
Alright,
going
creative.
to-
You set all this up, so I want you to come see what's going wrong. Because, as I understand it, these should be going to the
Yep.
last.
Let's see. Yep. Yep. Oh. For some reason, this shutoff valve looks like it has two levers, as well as this one.
Oh, maybe.
And the
When I
first one.
joined. Or I think we might have the issue of one person sees one thing, another person sees another thing, but they're combining.
Hmm.
Because you know how we used to see buttons differently?
Well, that was with the host being far away.
I remember it as just with a host.
Okay.
Huh? Did you just connect back to the game?
Don't mess with the sea
See you,
life.
life. See you later, Stinky.
Creative, did you just rejoin the
Yes,
server?
I rejoined. It still
Because
shows.
no, listen. I just opened my game and it said game paused, player connecting.
Um,
So it still thinks I'm in the game.
Hmm.
Even though I literally just verified the integrity of the files and reopened the game. That's
damn, what? Index out of range exception. Index was outside the bounds of the array.
Yeah, I saw that.
I saw something.
Oh.
Okay. Think we are getting it sorted out.
I just said something in the bug discussion of the Stationer's Discord.
Oh?
So we'll see if anybody has anything to say about that. I said
Oh,
I'm just running a game of friends, 3 of us, we keep getting null reference exception errors, and I crashed them since we loaded the game. Still not. It still thinks I'm on the server, even after verifying files.
Oh, and bug
So,
discussion? Yes?
Question. If you look at this overflow valve that I'm sitting on, it has a different pattern than the rest of them.
Oh. I don't even see, or I see you, but you're in a different location.
Interesting.
Me?
No, I seen Mage. Because where it showed you when you said that, it was like
Oh.
right next to the deep miner, like on the
Players
floor as well.
connecting again.
I wonder if Creative needs to restart his game.
Yeah, but why would that affect my game after just reloading
Okay,
and verifying files?
what now?
Thinking I'm on your game.
Look at the pattern on the overflow valve.
I'm not in the game.
That arrow I'm guessing changed, right, for you?
Yeah.
That's when it
Turn on your
happens
light.
full. I can't turn it on apparently. You wanna
This
you
is interesting.
you wanna restart the world again? Huh. This is freaking weird.
This is very interesting. It literally still thinks. Oh,
You
did
should
you
exit the
possibly,
game
by
too.
chance, just close the server?
Yeah. I did
The
say
error
to
stopped.
restart the world.
Well, I was just making sure because the error stopped the moment he did.
Well, yeah. Nothing else is generating the errors.
I wasn't in the game. I was in the main menu,
Oh.
and it still thought that I was in his game.
It's all Magic's
That's what I'm
fault. Magic, why'd you do that?
It could be, honestly. But ever since I crashed, every time I open the game and you join, even if I'm literally just in the main menu, it says players connecting. And I get all the same errors you do, like and more. So this is very interesting.
God, I hope that we don't have to restart the run.
Nah, you shouldn't have to.
Because that
Just getting
yeah, getting set up still. Is that outside of the world border or whatever it was there?
Mhm.
It said or it said it's something with world corruption. So
I didn't see those. I saw the world atmosphere with the dirty ore. But I saw nothing about corruption.
no, I googled it. I
Oh.
googled the error.
The null reference?
No,
Oh.
the object out of world border or whatever,
I didn't see that.
world area or
name.
something.
The only ones I saw were
Oh, shoots have one lever. I see Mage moving around.
yeah, but I also see the chutes might have broken again.
Let's see.
Storm incoming.
Oh, Stormin. And magic errors
Huh.
immediately after you join.
Yeah. Huh.
What if you log out? Does the errors just stop?
I was logged out like that entire time.
No, like close the game.
I was closed out for like half of that you were saying. 'Cause I was verifying files and shit.
So I wonder if the shoots messed up because I was seeing double. So my game told your world to put it in the second shoot that I seen, kind of thing.
Hey, we're gonna do something special. Yeah, TTP. It really wasn't. Oh, okay, we're gonna do 2 special launch options and see what happens.
What the? Oh. Wonder if you could just like delete all things that are on the ground. What command that would be?
I think you can.
But then we would want to have like all our ingots.
Well, let's see if this works. What I just did.
Well, still getting all the no reference.
I'm not anymore though. So let's see what happens when I load. Okay, it still says Steam P2P is in use even though I turned it off, but I don't have any errors anymore. Are you still getting errors?
Yeah.
I'm
No reference.
longer getting errors. Oh. But I'm out of jetpack because the jetpack was on when I crashed.
Mm.
I think I'm relatively close to you because I can see the flashing lights of the batteries. I think.
Also, just FYI, storm is incoming, so
Yeah.
your
I
rocket's
figured.
gonna get destroyed.
Lovely. That's fine.
Guess I should go batten down the hatches for him.
Would be great. So I think I might have gone the exact opposite direction, but I should have.
Again.
No, that was before. So now I'm trying to fix it but it's nighttime, so
Mm.
I saw lights in the distance for a minute, which I think was the rendering thing, which I don't see anymore. Oh, I guess I can. Oh, okay, so I can. Oh,
I could have sworn I clicked it, but I guess I didn't.
bot tracker. Okay, yeah, I was still going the wrong way. I see you.
Who's joining?
Meh. Again.
You're like another person.
Alright. Here's all the holes, so where's the base?
Hmm.
Good question.
I see a lander.
Yeah, I went literally the exact opposite direction.
Well.
Well, not the exact opposite, like 90 degrees. Or I guess that'd be 270 degrees.
Airlock supplies. Survival supplies.
Damn it.
Getting
Container
more
mount.
references.
Yep.
I wasn't getting any errors. Those were all small battery, but are you guys using any small batteries anywhere?
Tools.
Okay, well they stopped.
Hmm.
Oh, I'm also out of water now. Lovely. Oh,
Well, that's because
I
you
gotta
didn't
open my
take your
helmet.
water pack from your landing pod.
No, I have water in my hand. I haven't had anywhere to drink it.
Well, if you're quick like a bunny rabbit, you can pop your mask
got it.
and
Yeah. That's what I did. I'm at 19%. Which is, better than 0, so.
Mm-hmm.
80 meters
Well.
from the base.
all right.
Uh-huh.
Alrighty.
Oh,
What did you do with the other 2 crates?
one's out front of the main door. One was on top of the middle area. It's still up there. But where's the
Oh, there. Okay.
gas tank filler?
Behind the suit storage.
Inside?
Yes, inside.
Okay, I haven't gone inside yet. Okay, suit storage. Ah, I see.
I feel like something that would be very likely is Magic will put his suit into our suit storage.
And then just dye.
and then just adds a fuel. It just makes it a fuel mix.
Oh, that's where it is.
Yeah.
No, not on the roof because we can't
No,
put the.
I was gonna follow you. Oh, you're putting it inside?
No.
Oh, I see. Oh, I didn't see these.
There, everything's
Okay, was that-
secured.
Okay,
That's it.
cool.
The other three are secured at the old base.
Okay. With these, I can start making the base. I'm just gonna make it like right up here.
Well, ironically, we can bring him back from the dead if he dies, but then as soon as he revives, he's going to be
Then I
in a
die.
world of hurt.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It's okay. So it was. Oh, I saw egg.
Oh! Creative can have his chickens again.
Oh
Nah.
yeah. Wait, what?
We actually had a chicken alive. We had 2 chickens alive, but we weren't able to grow the food fast enough.
That's unfortunate.
Oh my gosh. I gotta rejoin.
Why?
Apparently, it decided corner shoot did not exist.
Oh. Nice.
Mm-hmm. So they definitely changed something with shoots.
Yeah. Sounds like it. Okay, well I can. Oh, okay.
I can't even grab this corner shoot. Can you?
I'm trying to make my
That one right here,
little area.
up top.
Top.
Yeah, I'm saying I was right here. I'm standing on it.
There's no shoot there.
Okay.
Like, you're clearly standing there.
I can't grab it. Yeah.
But, like, I'm kind of curious.
Can a shoot? I could put a shoot inside of it.
Yeah, put a shoot in it, and that might reset your system.
Oh, I crashed again.
I can't deconstruct it either.
Okay, let me open the logs again and see what happened.
Huh?
I crashed again.
It created. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Still haven't said anything in the fucking thing. Okay, let's see. What was the last error? Okay, crash.
Okay. Sanctioneers didn't even say anything like update, like a hot fix.
Dot shoot. So one of the null reference exceptions was assets.scripts.objects.types.shoots. Deserialize on join.
Hmm.
right when I crashed, did you do something with shoots?
Kinda, yeah, I guess. I think.
Okay, so that might have been the reason I crashed. The reason I crashed, don't physically know why it crashed because of that.
So, in case you guys haven't been paying attention, they are trying to change how shoots and a lot of the other network things behave, because I'm sure you've noticed that as the game goes, you'll get networks that are numbered into like the
Thousands.
millions.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't see millions.
So
I did.
they're trying to do it where they can solve that problem, and
Hmm,
clearly they tweaked something that's messing with our game.
yeah. Outside bounds of the array.
Take a screenshot of that, send it to me. Oh, error and start with Discord client. Index was outside the bounds of the array.
Yep.
I think that kind of just means something's fucked up. It's outside of the parameters that the game is allotted, and so the game is like, oh shit, it's outside of that. I don't know what the fuck to do. Yeah. Okay. So it still thinks that I'm in. I'm gonna try something real quick. I'm probably gonna disconnect from Discord. I'm gonna
There, I sent you the screenshot of it.
Okay, thank you. I'm going to
Or should you have
disconnect from
this?
the internet. Give me whatever.
Because that has like more information kind of thing.
Probably that. Okay, I'm going to. Okay, I gotta unplug my my Ethernet. I'll be back in a few minutes when my internet comes back. But first, I gotta find the Ethernet because it's still saying I'm connected. So I wonder if I disconnect from the internet, if it'll still say I'm connected.
Huh? No message received from host for 5 seconds. Sending heartbeat.
Interesting.
And it's really weird that all the errors are coming to us and not the host.
Hmm.
But I guess we are, me and Magic, we're seeing things differently.
Hello. Okay, let's try this one more time. Open the game. Anyway.
Hmm?
What?
So it was sending the heartbeat when Magic left or turned off his Wi-Fi or whatever Magic
It was
did.
sending the what?
It said no message. It says no message from host, sending a heartbeat, and it did that for a bit, and then you, like, a bit before you left Discord, and then
Oh, what the fuck?
it stopped happening the moment you joined Discord again.
Huh, interesting. Okay, I gotta let this run its course because it's gotta go through everything and be like, not found when reading client thing state. So it's gotta go run through every single item in the game and be like, it's not here. We're in the menu. Stop right back. I gotta get drinks. Okay, please tell me you just joined the game.
Yeah.
Okay, because it just told me again, even after disconnecting from the internet. Like, I turned my Wi-Fi off, I disconnected Ethernet, everything. There was nothing connected to the internet, and it still says I'm connected to the fucking game. What the fuck?
Hmm. I think my client thinks Magic is the host instead of Mage. That would explain the index was outside the bounds of the array because Magic's at the main menu. So he isn't actually in the world. So he's out of bounds. Hmm.
I'm off to hunt nitrous.
Oh yeah.
Because our jetpack fuel is empty.
Hey, Creative, do something for me.
Yes.
Go to your Steam launch options. So go to
So exit the
on
game.
yeah. So on in the
Settings.
stationer's thing, go to properties.
Properties.
Go to where it should say launch options as soon as you open that. Down at the bottom.
Customization or launch options. Okay.
Do dash
Like
TCP
TCP
and then space
space
dash
dash
no Discord.
no Discord.
And then run it again. Because I joined off of you, and I turned off. I did the whole TCP thing, which
So
should
it's
stop.
so it's that, right?
I can't see it current. Yes, that is at least what the internet told me.
I just do.
Because when I join the game, it says Steam P2P is in use.
And enter doesn't do anything. So
No, it doesn't. Okay, it's still running through its whole not found when reading client thing state.
it's because I'm not in.
I'm not in the game. I'm not in the server though.
Why did all of a sudden all the power just go poof?
Not feeding
Like-
coal. Not getting fed coal.
Yeah.
Those chutes.
No, like I even had batteries that were in the charger that had charged just go poof.
Hmm. Shift tab. You join.
So this only like partially helps me out. One person said, friend who was hosting tabbed out of the game, that caused me to disconnect. Keep getting infinite error multiple times every second, even after multiple restarts and verifying game files. So game broke, not forever, question mark. Somebody said, for me, completely restarting Steam fixed my issue once so far. Will update in the future. Also, if the person hosting closes the server, I think it gets fixed.
Well, we tried being close.
That's... Well, yeah, but I wasn't getting the error bunch of numbers not found when reading client data until after it crashed.
Yeah, power did just nuked itself. Quite literally nothing is on or have power.
I'm trying to get us some coal into the system.
Like, unless you just put...
Magic joins. He hasn't even hooked up to our base, and he's already using up all.
Jeez, man.
Yeah, exactly.
Power.
Hey, the chute's not there.
Right. Make sure to get that power hooked back up, because clearly we are very...
I removed a chute, and it instantly started spazzing out again. With errors.
Yeah. Okay. You gotta restart Steam for those to take effect. Okay, creative. Go into Steam, go to top left, click Steam, hit exit. And then try again.
Wait, what now?
Go into top left where it says Steam.
Same. Exit.
Exit. And then open Steam again.
Which is really weird.
No, because it's just restarting Steam.
No. It's weird for me. Is test or the thanks to that OneDrive thing fiasco. It just makes it weird.
This is
so
kind of interesting.
I opened Steam with the actual Steam logo, and what opens is that like blank paper base icon.
Oh yeah, that happens to me for a couple things. For the Modrinth app and then Beacon. I could theoretically like fix it. Because those are technically just shortcuts. It's just the picture, the photo of the shortcut or whatever. Okay, so I'm still getting those errors. The server still says it has 2 out of 10. So it still thinks I'm in. Even after completely disconnecting my internet.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
How
is that Mage? How is that even possible?
I'm not exactly sure how you disconnected your computer from the internet, so I'm not sure.
I turned the Wi-Fi off. I completely unplugged my Ethernet. Discord completely shut down. Everything like lost connection. So I know that the internet was not connected for a minute. Waited like 10-15 seconds, and then plugged the Ethernet back in.
Okay, I'm gonna join.
Too, just in case. Yeah, it says game pause. Players connecting.
Oh yeah.
Not even in the game.
restart your computer, Magic.
Yeah. I'm gonna
And
do that
then
real
when you
quick,
join,
back.
don't join through creative, join through me.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna restart. I'll be back.
So, for you, Mage, does all the shoots for the coal show? Like, is it
Give me
all
a moment,
connected?
I'm inside the base dealing with our food.
Okay.
And we're only getting one potato now.
I'm on my phone now.
I consumed one of the tomatoes, or grabbed
Oh.
it.
Okay. Okay. So it's not a genetics thing.
No.
I was worried our genetics shifted to giving us only one potato. Oh, I gotta wait to respawn, wait to respawn. I'm starting to get some error messages.
Check out at my base, see if I died. Oh, my headphones connected to my.
Oh. I'm gonna call it a night here then, I guess. I gotta wake up early
Okay.
anyways.
Nope, you're still alive. You're holding your propane torch.
Software.
Bright side, I was able to call down that trader. It's just I have to build a enclosure for him. Failed to connect or failed to send to client toxic mustard.
Okay,
So I should be just.
Oh,
I'm rejoining.
What?
I just got a crap ton of error messages saying failed to send to toxic mustard. Like it filled the screen and it's continuing to fill the screen.
Interesting. Let me go back to your stream.
I can't even get into the base.
Index is outside of bounds. Okay, I think that whole Discord client thing is because I told to not use Discord. Okay, I'm still getting the client thing state thing.
Yeah. I don't know. This is weird. Like, it can't just be they're messing with the shoots.
No, it has to be something else. I think it sounds like it has to be something with the Steam P2P. Because this wasn't happening before I just started joining, right?
Yeah.
When did the latest beta update come out? Today, right?
Yes, today.
Okay. Did you test it earlier than when you started the stream?
No.
Nope.
Okay. So maybe it is just because they changed that, but it also could be the P2P thing.